Hello, guys. Welcome back to another day, another coffee. This is the second day of our coffee month. And today I wanted to talk about this coffee that I've been having for, I think, more than a month now. I got a whole kilo of it actually because it was on discount and also because I wanted to stock up for the lockdown. And I'm happy to say that thankfully, this coffee turned out to be really good. Otherwise, I don't know what I would have done with that entire, kilo of coffee. So this coffee is called Julian Peak, and it's by Mark's Coffees. And my preferred way of having this is by mocha pot. So I've brewed my cup of Julian Peak right now, and let's get to the tasting. So, as you can see, these are the ground beans for the Julian Peak. Mark's Coffee is based out of Auroville in Tamil Nadu, and this is supposed to be a light to medium roast, and it's supposed to have aromas of sweet cinnamon and citrus that should be coming forward on the palate. And you can see that it's kind of ground almost medium fine, so it's a nice consistency. And this is coffee is grown in the hills of Shevaroy in Tamil Nadu, and it's a washed and wet processed coffee with previous fermentation for about 24 hours. So that just gives it more acidic and floral tones. And we're going to try and see if we get any of those notes in this coffee now. I'm just going to pour my mocha pot. It's really hot right now. That's why I'm using this bit of cloth in case I need it. I'm just going to put this away for now, and I'm going to try and taste this with you guys. So let's go for it. So as you can see, the coffee has a little bit of a darker tone, and it has a really good aroma actually. I mean, it really sort of draws you in, and you'd want to try and drink it, as soon as you can. So, unfortunately, it's not possible with a mocha pot because it's quite hot. But we're going to try this right now. So let's see how good that goes. So, like I said, I've been having this coffee for more than a month now, and I always get the same sort of consistency from it, which I think is really good. And it also gives me a little bit of that cinnamon flavor, which is supposed to be on the tasting. I don't really get a lot of citrus notes, but it could be, I don't know what the issue is over there, but it's not a make or break situation. Another good thing about the Julian Peak is that the espresso hit that you're supposed to get is also there, but it's not as impactful as you would want it to be. So it's somewhere in the middle. It's not going to be like one big hit of caffeine and you'll become limitless and start working all night. But on the other hand, if you are feeling a bit lethargic in the afternoon, after a heavy lunch, then this is maybe one of the best coffees that you can have to try and revive yourself. This will give you just that bit of hit that you require to try and complete your work, maybe for the next few hours before you sort of try and wind down with another cup of coffee, maybe. And I feel that the tones that the coffee gives out is a nice balance of this floral, fruity, cinnamony notes that it has versus the espresso that caffeine hit that it tries to deliver. So all in all, I think this is one of the good coffees that you can try from Mark's Coffees. I know that a lot of people say that Mark's does a really good Balmadi, and unfortunately, I haven't tried that yet. But I believe that if you've already tried that, then you should definitely try the Julian Peak next. And if you haven't tried the Balmadi either, then maybe try and order both of these coffees and let me know which ones you like best and what is your opinion of the Balmadi, which I shall try and review soon as well. And also, if you've had the Julian Peak, then please let me know what your reactions are. Did you think it was a good coffee, bad coffee, or anything that was missing, anything that you particularly liked? And let's try and have a nice discussion around the Julian Peak. So that's it for me from this particular episode. If you liked this, then please consider subscribing to this channel. Press the bell icon and don't forget to come back again for another coffee review. Thanks.